Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something really important for our gut health, and how we can naturally reduce cortisol, that stress hormone that can really throw off our well-being. So grab a seat and let's dive into some delicious foods that will support both your gut and help you feel calmer and more balanced. First, let's talk about gut health. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a huge role in digestion, immune function, and even your mood. Keeping this microbiome healthy is key, and the right foods can make all the difference. Bananas are a fantastic food for gut health. They're rich in prebiotics, which feed the good bacteria in your gut. They also help regulate digestion, and they're super gentle on your stomach. Plus, they have potassium, which can help reduce stress, which brings me to our next topic. Next up is Greek yogurt. This one is packed with probiotics, which are the healthy bacteria that keep your gut happy. Probiotics help reduce inflammation and improve digestion, and studies show that they can even help reduce cortisol levels. So, if you're feeling stressed, a serving of Greek yogurt might be a good idea. Another amazing food is chia seeds. They're loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for keeping your gut moving smoothly. Plus, fiber helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. Healthy fats in chia seeds also have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to lower cortisol levels naturally. Let's not forget avocados. These creamy fruits are full of healthy fats and fiber. They help keep your gut microbiome in balance and also support your adrenal glands, which are in charge of cortisol production. Avocados are a great food to help reduce those stress levels while nourishing your gut. And here's something I absolutely recommend for reducing cortisol: moringa. It's a powerful adaptogen that helps lower cortisol levels and supports overall wellness. I take moringa regularly, and I've noticed a huge difference in my energy and stress levels. If you're interested in trying it for yourself, the link to a high-quality Moringa supplement is on my channel, so be sure to check it out. To sum it up, foods rich in prebiotics, probiotics, fiber, and healthy fats are all essential for a happy gut and balanced cortisol levels. Incorporating these foods into your diet regularly can make a big difference in how you feel every day. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. And remember, your gut health and stress management are connected. So taking care of your body is one of the best things you can do for your mind. See you next time.